Hello students, now we are moving on to question number 3 of exercise 11.2. In this it is given that draw a circle of first of all radius 3 centimeter. So we have to draw a circle of radius first of all 3 centimeter. After that they have said that take 2 points P and Q on one of its extended diameter. That means we have to draw the diameter of that circle of radius 3 centimeter, and after that we have to extend the diameter each at a distance of 7 centimeter from its center. Okay, that means from the center the diameter has to be extended 7 centimeter. So over here will be P, and from the center the diameter has to be extended in this direction, so that will be point Q. And we have to draw tangents to the circle from these 2 points P and Q. That means P and Q are the external points, and from if one external point is there, that means 2 tangents can be drawn. So if Q, so P and Q are 2 points, so 2 points are there, so that means we have to construct 4 tangents. So we will start our construction with drawing a circle of radius 3 centimeter first of all. I have set the radius on the compass, that is 3 centimeter. Now I am drawing the circle. Okay, little bit I darker it so that it can be visible. Okay, so I have drawn a circle of radius 3 centimeter and give this point as O. Okay, now as they have telling that we have to draw first of all the diameter of this circle, and from center of the circle point P is at the distance of 7 centimeters. So from here point O, P is at a point at a distance of 7 centimeter. Also from O, so here will be P, and also from O 7 centimeter over here, so that will be point Q. Okay, so in this way I have obtained 2 points now, which are P, okay, and Q. Clear? After this, as we have to draw the tangents from point P and from point Q, तो इसका मतलब हमें यहाँ पर फिर से 2 सर्कल्स बनाने पड़ेंगे which will be intersecting this given circle. एक सर्कल ऐसा होगा जो P और उसके OP के मिड पॉइंट से पास होगा, बराबर. So that will be intersecting the given circle at 2 points. तो वो जो 2 पॉइंट्स मिलेंगे वहाँ से हम टेंजेंट्स ड्रॉ कर देंगे. सिमिलरली Q और OQ का जो मिड पॉइंट होगा उसको रेडियस लेकर हम लोग एक सर्कल बनाएंगे. तो वो गिवन सर्कल को, यानी इस वाले सर्कल को इंटरसेक्ट करेगा 2 पॉइंट्स पर, बराबर. तो वो जो 2 पॉइंट्स मिलेंगे, बराबर, वो होंगे पॉइंट ऑफ कांटेक्ट, और Q से उसको ज्वाइन कर देंगे तो हमें मिल जाएगा टेंजेंट्स फ्रॉम Q. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टू ड्रॉ द सर्कल I have to get the midpoint of it. For getting the midpoint I have to set the radius more than half OP. तो more than half OP मैंने radius set कर दिया in the upper half plane and lower half plane with center O, and with the upper half plane and lower half plane with center P. This is not intersecting, so again I'll do it from here. As soon as the arcs intersect, you have to draw or obtain the midpoint on line segment OP. So I'll join them with a dotted line. Okay, and name it as point E. Okay, now as we have got point E, now we will be taking the radius, again the same thing, just what we have did in the first two construction. PE as radius, over here you can see PE and EO are same. PE and EO are same. So I will draw a circle which will be passing through P and O. Okay. Now this circle, as you can see, it is intersecting the given circle with radius 3 cm at points, we'll say M and N respectively. So we have got those 2 point of contacts, and this is the external point. So we will construct or draw the tangents now, as this is the requirement. So I'll draw with the sketch pen so that you can understand this. I'll draw PN and I'll draw PM. Okay. Just like how we have drawn the tangents from P to M and N, in the same way we have to draw the tangents from Q. So for doing that, again I have to obtain the midpoint of it, of OQ. So for obtaining the midpoint, I have to set the radius more than half OQ, so that we will draw the perpendicular bisector. Okay, so at center Q, arcs will be drawn in the upper and lower half plane, and then from center O, arcs will be drawn in the and lower half plane, where both these arcs intersect each other. So you need to obtain the midpoint by joining them, by joining the point of intersections with a dotted line. Okay, so in this way I have obtained the midpoint as F over here of OQ. Now as you have obtained the midpoint F of OQ, so I'll set the radius as FQ. FQ and OF will be, OF, FQ will be equal to one another, as because they will become the radius now. Correct? So I'll be drawing the circle now, which will be intersecting the, just a minute. So now I'm drawing a circle which will be, just a minute. Now I have drawn a circle with taking OF as radius or FQ as radius and center as F. So I have drawn this circle, and now I'll give these points as the point of contact. So these points will be, I'll write over here as, we can give as AB. Okay, these points. And now as you can see, as we have obtained these point of contact, so we can draw tangents from the external points. So I'll draw QA and QB. Okay, so in this way I have obtained two tangents I have drawn to the circle from point P, okay, which is the external point on the one of its extended diameter of radius of 3 cm, and one is at the point Q. So I have drawn two tangents from this external point also. So in this way we have constructed. For steps of construction, you have to follow the video of the first construction, what I have given instructions in that. According to that you have to write, okay.